Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we are gonna reset for October. It's a Sunday. I woke up a while ago and I'm thinking that I'll start this video with my September favorites. Usually I do the favorite segment at the end of every video, but today I just feel like starting with that, and that way you can also get a recap of my September. Starting off with beauty favorites, the product that I loved using the most this month is this Centella Soothing Cream from One Thing. It has an extremely lightweight texture and my skin this past month was extremely oily. This was the only product that I used on my face apart from a toner and sunscreen, of course. And I think it did a pretty good job keeping my skin hydrated and not making it greasy. Next is Wishcare's Milky Sunscreen. It's SPF 50 PA 4x+. As I already mentioned, my skin was pretty oily last month, so I could not use any creamy sunscreens. And even after trying so many sunscreens in the market, I keep going back to this one every now and then just because of how lightweight this one is. Reapplication is also very easy with this one. Apart from being very lightweight, it also gives this really nice glow to your skin. And I love how it sits underneath makeup. It has 5 brightening actives along with 2% vitamin C to help with pigmentation and ceramides and peptides to help heal and strengthen your skin barrier. Plus there's no fragrance, so love this one. Next is this lip balm from e.l.f. It has a very pretty color. I've been wearing this every single day this month and I'm wearing it right now as well. It's a very pretty nude color for light skin tones. It's the shade Happy, and I have spoken about this lip balm in detail in my last video in which I reviewed all my lip balms. If you haven't watched that yet, then do check that out. It's a really long and brutally honest video. There are 2 fragrances that I've been loving using, and now that fall is almost here, I think they make a lot of sense. The first one is the Sol de Janeiro Cheirosa 59. It is a very powdery, sugary vanilla scent and it is apt for this season. Like, this is the scent for this season. If you like sweet vanilla scents, then definitely get your hands on this one. You will not regret it. And the next one is Victoria's Secret's Basic Vanilla. This smells like chai and vanilla together. If you like tea, then get this one. Otherwise, do not. You won't enjoy it. But I absolutely love wearing this at home when I'm chilling, and it's just the perfect scent for a nice night in. Now let's talk about food. The best thing that I ate this month will be these hazelnut and chocolate laddus. These laddus have no added sugar in them and they are made with good things like dates, chia seeds, nuts and whatnot. Each laddu is only 70 calories and a friend of mine makes these at home fresh every single day. And they taste divine. If you are someone who lives in Delhi NCR, then definitely try these out. They're so good. Like, I really wish I had some with me right now. They taste like Ferrero Rocher and without all that sugar. If you're someone like me who has a sweet tooth and you're trying to skip sugar but still want something delicious to have after your meals, then you have to try these out. I'll put down her details on the screen and you can just call her and place your order. So this month I did not watch any movies, but I did end up watching 2 shows. First of all, I finished Gilmore Girls. Yeah, that I don't know what was I thinking, but those 2 weeks of creative block, this is how they were spent and I loved every bit of it. I totally get the hype. It's a very comforting show and I'm just sad that I finished it off even before the season started. So I think I'm gonna start rewatching it already. Next I watched Call Me Bae, which was it was a fun feel-good watch. It wasn't bad, it wasn't too great as well, but I enjoyed watching it and it was nice. I would say that the music in the show is really good. Like, I am hooked to all the songs. In the books category, I continued reading Never Never by Colleen Hoover. It's pretty interesting and I have almost finished it. I think I have like 15 pages left and I'm gonna read it and then say anything about it, but it's good. It's an interesting book and it kept me hooked all along. For the moment of the month, I don't really have, a big moment or anything. But I think this day when my mom and I went shopping and we just came back empty-handed, हमारा पूरे दिन कोई काम नहीं बना. At the end of the day, we just sat at Starbucks, got our favorite drinks. It was just a very quiet moment and it was extremely peaceful. It was everything that I wanted after a tiring day. So that would be the moment of the month. That was it for my September favorites. Now let's talk about October. And while I tell you what is my plan of action for today, I'm gonna put on this mask on my face. This one is called the Change Maker. It's a multitasking mask from Formula 10.0.6. I'll first put on my new headband that I've been loving recently. It's huge, I know, but I think it looks really nice. So this time for the reset, I really wanted to give like a mini makeover to my room. I wanted to make it a little cozy, so I have ordered some stuff from Amazon. Most of it got delivered today. Some things will come tomorrow. So the setting up will happen tomorrow. I'll show you what all I got in a bit. I will be doing a DIY today. I will make a wall hanging sorts. It's going to look really cool if it turns out how I want it to. Then of course I have to do my planner setup, which I plan to do today itself. I also have to get out and get a plant for the room. And I think that's gonna be it for today's plan of action. I don't want it to be a very hectic day because I know the room setting up and everything is gonna be very tiring. Plus it's a Sunday and I want it to feel like one. Anyway, I'm gonna keep the mask on for 10 minutes and then take a shower. Once I was done with my lunch, I started off with the DIY, and for this one you will not need a lot of fancy paints or canvases or anything because I realized most of you are not so used to painting. Here's a list of everything that you will need and you don't need any extra skills to do it. It's a very simple DIY. I'm making the phases of the moon on this wall hanging. You can make whatever you want. I cut these pieces up and then covered them up with the jute rope. And once I was done covering all of them up, I let them dry and continued the DIY the next day. I also got some new art supplies which I'm going to show you while I do my planner setup. I got myself these new colored pens because I really needed a brown but it wasn't available anywhere. This is my first time working with these pens. I have never used anything from this brand but they turned out pretty nice. They're really smooth and all the colors are very pigmented. Along with these, I also got this to-do list. It says yes you can and I think it's pretty cute. It's very simple from the inside though. I love the check boxes. The quality of the paper could be better. Now for my October spread this time, I really wanted to add some color and that is why I got these orange sheets and these brown ones. Also, I did not like the shade of this page this time. It's bluish and it just did not make sense. I wanted it to be warm. Maybe a yellow would work, but not this. So I decided to do my spread from scratch and covered everything up. And like most months, I wasn't satisfied with how October looked. So I redid this entire thing and wrote it in a different manner. I kept it simple just like every other month and did not add too much to the heading. September for me was pretty average. I was worried the entire month about something or the other. I was not very active on YouTube as well. I think I only posted one video in the month of September and I hated myself for it. Being on social media as a creator is not easy at all. You're on your Instagram or YouTube the entire day. You're seeing people post and there is this constant feeling of FOMO. You're like, I'm missing out on this or I'm late, and it's just not a nice feeling at all. I know for sure that I don't want to feel that way in the coming month as well, so I'm gonna work on it. I'll not take things too seriously and make a really nice work plan which is realistic as well as effective. And finally, a reminder to you and me that whatever is meant for us will eventually reach us no matter what. So yeah, that was most of my September. In other areas, I think I did well. I slept well, ate well, and I had some really great conversations with some really good people, and I'm so grateful for that. I'm gonna keep this side of the spread pretty simple, and as you already saw my priorities, they are pretty much the same. I just have to make sure to organize my work and set up my workspace because that has been pending for a really long time now. Here's how my final spread looks. I haven't used any stickers this time. I think the doodles look really nice. I will quickly mark some important dates on the calendar. I have some weddings to attend this month. Do let me know if you would want to see vlogs or any kind of content related to them. Then I'm making these weekly planning sections at the end of every weekly spread because they worked out pretty well for me last month. They keep me focused on what is important, dedicating this page to content ideas. And finally, for habits, I think the only two habits that I would want to track would be reading every day and sleeping early. I'll quickly fill up the to-do lists, personal and work, and then I will make the notes pages. And finally, I am dedicating the last page to hits and misses this month as well. That was it for my planner setup. After getting home, I cleaned up the room a little bit, basically just put things in their places, and then had some delicious pav bhaji for dinner. After eating, I realized that I had to unbox the Amazon packages, so I got started with that. I was actually pretty satisfied with everything that I got. I really wanted to do a sit down haul for all these things, but I was very tired, so I just opened all of them up and went to sleep. You will anyway see everything when I set the room up, and I'll make sure to put down the links in the description box for everything. Hi guys, it's Monday and my Monday really feels like one. I was so busy with the reset and stuff yesterday that I completely forgot that there is work to do. So I'm gonna get some things done today. I was just having my tea and making my to-do list, and I have 2 reels to shoot and edit today itself. And then I realized that there's a wedding literally this week and I have nothing to wear. So I'm just gonna run to home right now and see if there's anything that I can wear, and then come back and start with the reels. Once I'm done with them, then I will have to set up the room. I did unbox all the packages yesterday, so I think I'm going to show you what I got while setting up the room. There are still 2 more packages to come, and I really hope that they come today because I want this video to go live on first. And talking about that, this is another thing that I need to get done today. So once I'm done with all of this, the reels, the room setting up, I will have to sit down and edit this video. It is gonna be a busy Monday. I'm gonna finish my tea and then run to home, and I'll catch you in a bit. I'm back and I am done with most of my work. I got back home, changed my clothes, shot that reel, edited it, and then posted it on Instagram. I just posted that and changed my clothes. So now it's finally time for the mini room makeover. I was really waiting for this, and let's add some color to this room. All the packages got delivered, so I think I have everything that I need. And I think I'm gonna start off with this wall first because that is something that gets neglected every single time. So I'm gonna complete my wall hanging thing and put that up. So this is the rope that I had ordered. On this, I'm gonna put all the phases of the moon. Also completely forgot to show you all how the final phases look, and of course they need some tidying up. I'm gonna, just clean them up a little and then put them on the rope. Next up, I have these lights, and I initially wanted to put them up along with the wall hanging, but I think it's gonna look too much, plus the size of the wall hanging is not a lot. So I'm gonna put these around the bed head and see how they look. I got done with the bed and the side tables, and I think all of it is looking pretty good. It's exactly like my Pinterest mood board. But here's something that I want to show you. This is the difficult part of content creation. It's the behind the scenes that you all don't see, and it gets very overwhelming sometimes. And today is one of those days. Like I just don't know how am I gonna sort all of this, but I think that's why I like the reset videos. I get to share everything with you, and all of it just becomes fun when I'm filming it all for you. This is the reading corner, and if you look here, then this is the current situation of this area. Here are all the empties, all the extra products, and then there are products that I'm testing out, and it's just everywhere. I need to sort this out and just clean up this corner. Those are the paintings that I made for the room, if you remember, but they fell off and I have no place to put them now. All of this storage that you see, it's all full, and there's literally shortage of storage all the time. So let's sort this all out now and get done with it. Back, and I am so tired right now, but I'm happy that the room is done and it looks how I wanted it to look, and it even feels like how I wanted it to feel like. So I think it was all worth it. But I don't have the energy for an elaborate skincare routine now, so I'm just gonna do a 2-step skincare routine. I'm gonna use this toner from Faye. I recently started using it. I do like how it feels on the skin, and I like to use like 2 layers of it on my face. I'm gonna talk about it in some other video because right now I can't. Tell me in the comments if you have tried this and how are you liking this toner. Following it up with my Formula RX moisturizer. This has to be my favorite nighttime moisturizer. It's perfectly moisturizing for the night time. This lip balm from Clinique. My lips have been very dry and this just takes care of everything. I'm now gonna go read a book for some time and then go to sleep. This is the book that I've been reading. It's called Steal Like an Artist. A lot of you recommended this book. I realized how content is just copied and pasted across all platforms now. I used to see it on Instagram back in the day, but it did not bother me so much because YouTube was different. But now as a creator, I totally get it. It's hurtful to see people not understanding the difference between being inspired by something and flat out copying it. Copying is not just doing the exact same thing, but also recreating someone's ideas and concepts in a way that really resemble the original. It is so important for us as artists, as a community of creators, to remember that we have a responsibility to respect the creative process and also each other's works. People should be honest and just be themselves. That's all that's required. Anyway, I don't want to talk about it right now. I'm gonna do my thing, and I just hope you all have a really good October and you make the most of it. I am very excited because the festive season's here and autumn is here. All of it is just so nice. I hope you all romanticize the weather, the festive season, and just enjoy as much as possible. I will be announcing the 15K giveaway very soon, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.